chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Guys, this is amazing, out of this world. So many amazing flavors going on. Guys, I'm trying to inform you. And guess what? I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. All right, to begin, you want to go ahead and get a pot of water to a rolling boil. Go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit of salt. Once that's all said and done, go ahead and get your pasta in there as well. Let it do its thing. We're going to cook it till it's about al dente. You could reference the packaging that came with your pasta for like the cooking times and whatnot, but I went with about 9 minutes and it was cooked absolutely perfect. Once that's all said and done, you want to drain it, put it to the side, and we're gonna get some prep work out the way. I have about a 1/4 pound of white mushroom that we're gonna chop up. We're gonna mince as well about 3 cloves of garlic. We have about, I would say, a small onion that we're gonna chop up as well, and some fresh parsley. Go ahead and chop that up too. Get all your prep work out the way, and we're gonna move on to that chicken. Okay, guys. So we have ourselves a nice sized chicken breast. You want to go ahead and butterfly it, then cube it up into some nice sized pieces. Once that's all said and done, we're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there, give it a luxurious massage, and we are going to season it up some proper, you know what I mean? So here I'm just using my little all-purpose seasoning. On the screen I have a list of what you need to get it together, and I am just gonna be very deliberate, very generous, and I'm just gonna go absolutely insane with the seasoning, because that's what we do, guys. We is not stingy whatsoever at all. Yes, sir. So go ahead and season that up proper, and we are going to get a pan nice and hot afterwards and get this chicken sizzling. So I have my pan to about a medium high. As you've seen, I went ahead and drizzled a little bit of oil in there, and we are going to sizzle up this chicken, guys. Man, that aroma hits the air, and whoo, I'm trying to let you know, smelling so good already, guys. Look at the beautiful chicken, man. It looks so amazing already, and we are not even done yet. Come on now, go ahead and fully cook your chicken just like so. Once it's all done and whatnot and fully cooked, go ahead and remove it from the heat so we can move on to the next step, which is adding a little bit of more oil in there. And we are gonna drop in the mushrooms, we're gonna drop in the onion, we're gonna drop in that garlic, and we're gonna let it do its thing until they all soften up a little bit and whatnot. And guys, if you haven't already, hit your boy with a follow on Instagram. You can find me at Whip It Up with Jay, just like the name of the channel. You know, you'll see all type of previews of what type of recipes I'm working on, as well as my daily life activities. So yeah, like I said, hit me with a follow if you haven't already. So after that mushroom and everything starting to soften up a bit, you want to go ahead and add in that heavy cream. And, you know, give it a little bit of a mix. Get everyone talking to each other, okay? We got to get these flavors communicating, all right? And we are going to reintroduce that well-seasoned up chicken as well. You know, get that in the party. Get it talking as well. Like, hey, chicken. Hey, sauce. You know, let's get together and make something beautiful. All right, guys? And we are going to, like I said, get it to a little bit simmer, and add in our good old fettuccine pasta, and we're gonna add in some of that freshly chopped parsley as well. And like I said, Mix it all together, get everyone talking, okay? Mix it all together, guys. Let it simmer just for a little bit. And I did add a little bit of more salt and a little bit more pepper to this as well. You can kind of, you know, taste the sauce and season accordingly, but it probably does need a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, okay, guys? And let that come up to a little bit of a simmer. Like I said, let that sauce kind of thicken up just a little bit. And that's pretty much it, and you're all set and done. So as you've seen, guys, this is a very, very simple recipe, and I say but, it is jam-packed with flavor, guys. And when I say jam-packed, I mean jam-packed with flavor, guys. Absolutely. And it is a elegant, a beautiful, a magnificent dish to put on the table, guys. You'll impress somebody with this one. I'm trying to let you know. I'm trying to be very informative with you guys, because, you know, that's what we do, man. I bring awesome recipes for you guys to enjoy, and this is another one. This is another banger, all right? I hope you guys all enjoyed this recipe. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.